Hi, it's Vanessa from McKee Music Therapy Services, and I have a mess. What am I gonna do? Can you help me sort all of this out? Oh no, what should I do? Everything is all mixed up. Oh no, what should I do? Everything is mixed together. I've got shirts and shorts, socks and pants, but they're all mixed together. Can we sort them out? Do you think you could help me out? Here are some shorts. These are shorts. Here is a shirt. This is a shirt. Here is a sock, but socks come in twos. Here is the other sock. 1, 2. Now we have a pair. Here are some pants. Pants go all the way down to your ankles. Here are some pants. Here is another shirt. This is a shirt. Here is another shirt, but this one has long sleeves, but it still is a shirt. Here are another pair of pants. Here are another pair of pants. And here is another sock and its matching partner. Its matching pair, they go together. Here are another pair of shorts. Here are another pair of shorts. All of my stuff is all sorted out. We have shorts and pants and shirts and socks. All of my things are all sorted out. All of my things are organized. Thanks for helping me out.